Delta State Governor, Sheriff Oborevwori, has urged members of the bench to uphold the highest standards of probity, fairness, courage and impartiality in the discharge of their constitutional duties. The governor gave the advice Wednesday in Asaba during the swearing-in of 6 newly appointed judges for the Delta State High Court and the Customary Court of Appeal, cautioning judges to resist all forms of temptation capable of compromising judicial independence. He stated that the erosion of public confidence in the judiciary poses a grave threat to peace, law and order. He stressed that during adjudication, it is often the judge, rather than the litigants, who is ultimately on trial in the court of public opinion. According to him, when citizens lose faith in the justice system, they may resort to self-help, a situation capable of plunging society into chaos and anarchy. Governor Oborevwori said the stability of any democratic society rests heavily on a credible, transparent and independent judiciary, noting that justice must not only be done but must also be seen to be done. According to him, only a judiciary that acts without fear or favor can sustain public trust, guarantee justice for all, and preserve social harmony in the state and the nation. The governor explained that the appointments were made strictly in line with Sections 271(2) and 281(2) of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, which empowers state governors to appoint judges on the recommendation of the National Judicial Council, NJC. He disclosed that the Delta State Judicial Service Commission nominated candidates for consideration by the NJC, which carefully screened and approved those found suitable for appointment. Oborevwori congratulated the newly sworn-in judges, describing their elevation as a vote of confidence in their legal knowledge, integrity, professionalism and discipline. As you begin this new journey as privileged members of the bench, I expect you to uphold the same spirit of hard work, commitment, excellence and high ethical standards that qualified you for this noble office, the governor said. Governor Oborevwori reaffirmed his administration's commitment to strengthening the justice delivery system in the state, describing the swearing-in ceremony as another milestone in efforts to build a judiciary that is functional, fast, fair and accessible. He noted that appointment of the additional judges would help decongest courts, reduce delays and bring justice closer to the people, particularly those in rural communities. Responding on behalf of the newly sworn-in judges, Justice Bridget Onome Ojeikere expressed profound gratitude to Governor Oborevwori for his support and respect for judicial independence, pledging that the judges would discharge their duties with integrity and without fear or favor. The ceremony was attended by top government officials, members of the legislature, judiciary and other stakeholders. Those sworn in as judges of the Delta State High Court are Justice Otite Jonah Apobero, Justice Jerioma Sam Olagida, Justice Irene Bo Ayukuli and Justice Otom Benjamin Adamidenyo, while Justice Bridget Onome Ojeikere and Justice Stella Avuoriroro Oka were sworn in as justices of the Delta State Customary Court of Appeal.